Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change thumbnails in your YouTube studio or your YouTube video. First thing first, launch a browser and then get logged into your specific YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and add a video first. For that, you can either select this create or select YouTube Studio. And once you're inside your YouTube studio, you will see this create button. Go ahead, upload a video. And once you land onto a page like this, if you scroll below, you will see thumbnail. You will see various files here. Let's go ahead and just upload a dummy thumbnail for now. Now, as you can see that I've already added this white color thumbnail for today's video. And if you change your mind and if you would like to change it, all you have to do is hover onto it. You will see three dot icon. Select this and select change. As you do that, you will see all the photos that you have in your file explorer. Go ahead, select the one that you would like. Select open and the thumbnail will be changed. This is how you can do it, guys. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to our channel Techmates. If you want guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments. The link is right down below.